In our experience, what we see most often are moisture-related issues, poor substrate preparation, inadequate joint treatment, and poor spec choice in general. Most common problems we encounter are excess moisture in new concrete slabs and missing vapor barriers in existing concrete slabs. These problems are often overlooked because many assume standard drying times are enough and skip proper testing, which ultimately leads to failures. These failures can include delamination or blistering in the flooring system. Relative humidity testing is the most reliable method as it measures moisture within the slab and is not affected by ambient conditions. This information lets us know if the substrate is ready for installation or if additional steps such as moisture mitigation are needed. We had a customer that was dealing with blistering in their existing flooring system. To address the issue, we came in and cut sections around those blisters and took RH readings in the concrete. After seeing that the readings were high, we carefully prepped the substrate, installed our osmotic pressure resistant grout, and a floor that matched the needs of their space. Improper surface preparation often leads to adhesion failures because contaminants or insufficient surface profiles prevent the flooring system from bonding. Frequent mistakes include failure to remove weak surface layers, leaving dust or debris after prep, or not addressing contaminants such as chemicals or oils. These oversights compromise long-term performance and ultimately lead to failures. Inspection includes verifying the profile against our SPS standards, conducting tests for contamination, and evaluating for moisture. Proper preparation includes mechanically roughening up the substrate using methods such as grinding, scarifying, or shot blasting to achieve the specified profile for the system. The surface must be clean, dry, free of contaminants, cracks treated appropriately, with dust fully removed for the installation. Expansion joints and substrate movement are critical because they accommodate dimensional changes from shrinkage, temperature fluctuations, and load stress. If these joints aren't properly honored and sealed, the flooring system can crack or delaminate as the slab moves. Structural conditions like isolation joints and control joints also need correct treatment with flexible sealants to maintain system integrity and prevent reflective cracking over time. Each space has unique conditions, including traffic, chemicals, temperature changes, or moisture that must be considered. If these factors aren't evaluated, even a well-installed floor can fail. StonTalks works to ensure our customers' operations run as intended without interruptions or failures. Choosing the wrong system can lead to costly downtime and performance issues. That's why we offer different chemistries as well as system configurations to match the needs of the space and the customer.